Hey there, DIY coders. Welcome to another HTML Quickie, and I promise we'll be heading into an easy one here. Every pun intended. So make sure you have your text editor open, your web browser open, and have your web browser open to the file we'll be editing on. And one more thing, if you don't know what a table tag is, I would recommend that you go ahead in the description below. I will have a video for you to learn table tags over there. But if you're all good, we'll go ahead and start learning what table headers are. So as you can see here, we have this code set up. If you need a moment, you can pause the video and then just copy what I have here and we'll go ahead. So we will write out what we need to write out to have these table headers set up. So your typical tr tag and the ending tag here, just like so. And then we want to have not the table data tag like we have here. What we want is the table header tag, which is a th. There we go. And then we'll just make another one here. And what this will do is it will more or less indicate the title of the column. So we're just going to give this number 1, and then we'll give this a number 2. So once I save, you'll see that there'll be numbers popping up here. No, sorry, don't want to see that. All right. And so this will represent the title of the table. Now you could do the same thing with table data tags, but for the sake of being able to understand the code, it would be better to have th tags instead of td tags. So essentially you can have this put in any place. So just like this can go in the middle, and this could go in the bottom. It will work all the same. It doesn't matter where you put it. But again, this was meant to title your columns. Now, if you found this video goddamn simple, easy to understand, give me a like. If it was somehow no good to you, leave me a thumbs down, then I know that I need to improve. And if you have any comments or questions, don't be afraid to throw it down in the comments section down below. And you know what? That's it for this video. I told you, it's going to be real simple. And other than that, that'll be all for this video. See you guys.